Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking you exercise 11.2 constructions. Let's see what do we have to do. In your first problem, you have to draw a circle of 6 centimeter. From a point 10 centimeter away from its center, construct a pair of tangents to a circle and measure their lengths. For that, first you have to draw a circle of 6 centimeter. So, this is your circle of 6 centimeter. Now you have to take, so this is your radius 6 centimeter. With a scale, I'll take more 4 centimeter away from the circle, that will make total 10 centimeter, and I'll mark a point P. Now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of line OP. Got my point? Do you know how to draw perpendicular bisector? In your compass, you have to take more than half, put it on point P, make an arc, put it on point O, make an arc, and from this arcs, you have to make arcs up and down like this. You have to join this, so that will be perpendicular bisector of OP. Now, this OP, shall we name this as M? Okay, this is your M point. Now you have to take M as a center and you have to measure MO. This is your center O, this is your MO. You have to take MO as a radius and you have to draw a circle. So naturally it will go through P and the circle will be something like this. Got my point clear? The circle which is drawn now, it will intersect the previous circle. Can we name it as point Q and R? You have to join PQ. This is your P. You have to join PQ and then you have to join PR, and that will be your required tangents. Got my point clear? Okay. Now, in that you have to also give the justification for your construction. Now, justification, how you will put it? Now, let's say we have already joined this, we got the thing. That means you have to now prove that PQ and PR are the tangents. To prove this, we will just join OQ and OR. Okay. Now, angle PQO is an angle in the semicircle, so that will be 90 degree. Even PRO will be 90 degree because circle may, if diameter is making an angle at the circumference, that will be 90. Perfect. So we got PQO and PRO to be 90. Okay. Now OQ is the radius. That means your radius, OQ is the radius of the circle. It is 6 centimeter. Now it is perpendicular to PQ. That means PQ must be a tangent. Because radius के साथ अगर कोई external line 90 degree बनाती है, तो that is a tangent. So we have proved. So just you have to prove that these were 90 degree. Nothing else. Got my point clear? Okay, let's do next. Construct a tangent to a circle with radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. So we have two circles with the same center. First I will draw a circle of 4 centimeter. So this is my circle of 4 centimeter radius. And again, taking O as a center, I will draw one more circle of radius 6 centimeter. So same center I will use. This is O. So one was 4, one was 6. One is 6. You have to locate a point P on this circle. Where you will locate the point P? Anywhere if you want, you can put it anywhere. I'll put point P here, suppose. This is my point P. Join OP. So I have joined this OP already. You have to draw a perpendicular bisector of OP now. So draw perpendicular bisector of OP. Name it as M. And now taking OM as your radius, draw one more circle. And where it intersects your previous circle, that is small circle with radius 4, name it as XY. Now join PX and PY, and that will be your required tangents. Getting my point? You have to measure them also. Clear? Okay. Next. Now in that case also you have to prove that this is a tangent. Then you can also go for PXO join kar do, PYO join kar do. Both are 90 degree, because if you can notice this red circle, OP is a diameter and that makes 90 degree angle at the circumference. So you will get PXO 90, PYO 90. That means radius and the line outside it, segment outside it, is making 90 degree, that they are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, PX is tangent, PY is also tangent. Clear? Now you can also prove it if you want to find with the side measurement, like PX is a tangent, you have to find the side. So you can find it PX and PY by putting a scale. You can measure it actually, and then by using Pythagoras theorem, because OX, it's a radius of small circle, this is 4. OP, it's a radius of big circle, that is 6. Now you can find XP by Pythagoras theorem, and just make it sure that your manual measurement of XP is same as you get with your Pythagoras theorem. Got my point? Next you have problem number 3, which says you have to draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So we'll just draw a circle first of radius 3. So I'll mark the center as O and the radius is 3. Then you have, take 2 points P and Q on one of its extended diameter at a distance of 7 centimeter from the center. So now what you have to do, draw a diameter of the circle. Chalo, I'll just join this and make a diameter, and it extends 7 centimeter from the center, and you have to mark P and Q. So I will extend 7 centimeter. This is the diameter on both the side. I'll extend. I'll make a red pen use, and this is, I've extended on one side. I've extended on other side. I've named these points as P and Q. And further it says, draw tangents to the circle from these 2 points PQ. Okay, so now what you will do? Naturally, once you have extended, you have to take perpendicular bisector of PO, and you have to take perpendicular bisector of OQ. Now, mark this as M, mark this as N. Take OM as the radius, draw one circle, and where it intersects, name it as XY. Join PX and PY, so that will be your required tangents. And on the right hand side also, you have to take ON as the radius, draw a circle, and where it intersects your circle, name it as AB, and join QA and QB. That will be your required tangents. Clear? Perfect. Let's take problem number 4, which goes, draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter, okay, which are inclined to an angle of 60 degree. Now, first you have to draw a circle, of course. So, I'll draw a circle of 5 centimeter radius. The center is O. I'll take a point, any point on the circumference. Let it be Q here. Now, it is given that which are inclined to each other at an angle of 60 degree. That is, अगर मैं rough structure बना रही हूँ, ये tangents हैं बाहर की तरफ, then this angle is 60 degree. And do you know that the tangent, angles made by tangent, the intersection point of tangent, जहाँ पे दो tangents मिलते हैं, उनके बीच का जो angle होता है, that is supplementary to the central angle. तो सेंट्रल एंगल आपको, अगर ये 60 है तो सेंट्रल एंगल आपको 120 मिल गया. गॉट माई पॉइंट क्लियर? तो मैं क्या करूँगी, मैं यहाँ से आपका OQ ज्वाइन कर दिया. आई विल मेक अ डिग्री ऑफ 120. With your compass you can make it. Do you know how to make it? Yes, you can make it 120 here. This is the central angle. Mark this as point P. Got my point clear? Now from point P you have to make 90 degree, and from point Q also you have to make 90 degree. And where these lines intersect you can name it as M. And now PM and MQ will be your required tangents, which are making 60 degree angle, inclined to each other at 60 degree. Got my point clear? Let's see what problem number 5 says. It says you have to draw a line segment AB 8 centimeter. So I will plainly draw a line segment AB of 8 centimeter. Further it says, taking A as a center, draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter, and taking B as a center, draw another circle of radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so I'll take A as a center and radius 4. I'll make a circle, and then I'll take B as a center and radius 3, and I'll make a circle. So I got two nice circles. Let's see for what further it says. It says you have to draw a circle. Construct tangents to each circle from the center of the other circle. Okay, you have to construct tangent to each circle from the center of other circle. So if you want tangent on this circle with center A, अगर सेंटर A से करना है तो आपको B से टेंजेंट्स देने हैं, और अगर सेंटर B वाला सर्कल ले रहे हैं तो टेंजेंट आपको A से डालने हैं. So nothing, you have to just draw a perpendicular bisector of AB. So you draw a perpendicular bisector of AB. Yes, and name it as M. Taking AM as the radius, you can make a circle. So AM as radius, I am making a circle. So now where it intersects at A circle with center A, you can name it as PQ. And where it intersects circle B, you can name it as XY. Got my point? And now you join PB and PQ. That will be tangents from B towards circle A. And join AX and AY. Those will be tangents from point A to the circle B. Got my point clear?